Whilst nearly any foodstuff can trigger an allergic reaction, there are 8 main foods that cause the most. Allergy to cow's milk is the most common food allergy in both infants and young children. Roughly 2.5% of children under the age of 3 are allergic to cow's milk, and most of these children will have developed their allergy in their first year of life. When a person with a milk allergy is exposed to milk, proteins in the milk bind to specific IgE antibodies made by the person's immune system. This triggers the person's immune defences, leading to reaction symptoms that could be mild or very severe. An egg allergy is one of the most common food allergies in children, but the majority will eventually outgrow their allergy. It is the egg white that contains most of the allergenic properties, but those with an allergy are advised to avoid both the white and yolk of eggs. Just like milk, it is the body's reaction to the IgE antibodies that causes the issue, but heating the eggs does tend to disrupt the allergy for about 70% of sufferers. Another common food allergy is the peanut, which are not the same as tree nuts such as cashews, almonds and walnuts. The peanut grows underground, being part of a separate plant family known as legumes. Other legume family members include peas, lentils and soybeans. Once again, it is the IgE antibodies that are the root cause, and unlike those with an egg allergy, only about 20% of those allergic to peanuts will outgrow their allergy over time. Unlike our first 3 foodstuff examples, about 60% of people with a shellfish allergy will experience their first allergic reaction as adults. There are 2 main types of shellfish: crustacea, namely crab, lobster and shrimp, and mollusks like mussels, oysters, clams and scallops. It is crustacea that cause most shellfish reactions, which tend to be severe. Finned fish and shellfish are not related, so most sufferers are often able to eat finned fish without an issue. As with our first 3 food examples, IgE antibodies are the cause, and unlike our previous examples today, shellfish allergies are usually lifelong. Do join us back here on the Primate News channel next week when we review the other 4 foods that make this list.